Well, hi, Andrew James here. After many years, I decided to do some vlogs here on my YouTube channel about my life here in Indonesia. When I first heard about Indonesia from my childhood stamp collection, I looked on the map and I thought it was just a small island near to Australia. Indonesia is unexpectedly incredibly vast and impressive. In fact, I have never seen anything else like it. My advice, if you are planning a visit, get away from the crowded tourist spots and experience the real wonders of Indonesia. When I first arrived here, I thought 1 month would be enough. Well, how wrong I was. I found so much interest and excitement. 8 years later, I'm still exploring this huge country, most of the time on a motorcycle. Indonesia is one of the best places for the off-the-beaten-track exploration. An archipelago of more than 17,508 islands located on the Ring of Fire. In fact, volcanoes are always creating and expanding new islands, which makes it nearly impossible to keep up with the exact count. Indonesia stretches 5,000 kilometers from the Indian Ocean to the South Pacific, 1,905 million square kilometers along the equator, with a population of 257.6 million. 700 languages are spoken, mainly from the Austronesian family, and the rest of the dialects are formed from Papuan language like Western New Guinea. Today the national language of Bahasa Indonesia is spoken, which comes from the Malaysian lingo. Many Westerners are afraid of chaos on the roads or worried about navigating the wild and unpredictable streets of Indonesia. In my next vlogs, I will give you some more information about Indonesia, remote areas, advantages about lone riding, and accompanying a group of riders on a tour, as well as infos on renting or buying a motorcycle here in Indonesia. Thank you very much. Bye.